Turkmen citizens living in different states of United States gathered today to protest in front of World Health Organization. We are extremely upset by what report they produced after spending 10 days in Turkmenistan. World Health Organization said there's no registered cases in Turkmenistan. At the same time, we know that our hospitals are filled with sick people with symptoms of COVID. We know our teachers, professors, soldiers, our doctors, police, everybody is sick and dying. The cemeteries are filling up. So today we came here to ask World Health Organization, which country did they visit? What did they see? Because in Turkmenistan, there is COVID. So today we also want to pay our respects and start our meeting with a minute of silence in the memory of those who passed away because of COVID.
World Health Organization is partaking in genocide of Turkmen nation. Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Liars, corrupt liars.
Liars, corrupt liars.
Go back, look again.
Go back, look again.
Go back, look again.
Go back, look again.
Go back, look again.
Go back, look again.
Who is responsible?
Who is responsible?
Who is accountable?
Who is accountable?
Come out, we need answers.
Come out, we need answers.
Come out, we need answers.
Come out, we need answers.
Come out, we need answers.
Come out, we need answers.
Who is lying? People are dying.
Who is lying? People are dying.
Who is lying? People are dying. Come out.
Who is lying? People are dying. Come out.
Where's the supplies that you provided to Turkmenistan? They're being sold in the markets. Come out and answer to our questions. Come out.
Come out.
Come out.
Come out.
Come out.
Come out.
Look to my left. This is who you are supporting: corrupt government, dictator. You are corrupt as the Gurbanguly Berdimuhammedov, the dictator of Turkmenistan. You support dictators. You are not transparent. You are not democratic organization. And we are so agree that Trump stopped funding. And now you're trying to support corrupt and dictatorship to get funding from corrupt countries. Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you. Police stop genocide!
Kurban Police stop genocide!
Kurban Police stop genocide! Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation! Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
What we want!
Freedom!
What we want!
Now!
What we want!
Now!
What we want!
Now!
Who we are!
Turkmen!
What we want!
Freedom!
What we want!
Now!
What we want!
Now!
Who we are!
Turkmen!
What we want!
Freedom!
What we want! What we want! Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Who we are!
Turkmen!
Who we are!
Turkmen!
Who we are!
Turkmen!
What we want!
Freedom!
What we want!
Freedom!
What we want!
Freedom!
When we want!
Now!
When we want!
Now!
When we want!
Now!
They did not confirm any case of COVID-19 in Turkmenistan. We are sure that World Health Organization doesn't want to lose its funding from the corrupt government. They support corrupt government. They support dictatorship. Turkmen president is a dictator. He is a killer of his nation. Nation is dying because of COVID-19. Nation is dying because of hunger. Nation is dying because of repression. Nation is dying because for their political opinion.
Because of your stupidity, for God's sake.
Because of the stupid government, the nation is dying. The nation is suffering. Nation doesn't have freedom of speech, no freedom of religion, no political opinion, because government imprisons every person who talks against the government. Corrupt government, the most corrupt government in the world is Turkmenistan, and the most inhumane person in the world is Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov.
Amen.
Biz Türkmenistan rayatları bugün öz halkımızı bizim vatanımızda hazırki gelen virüsten korumak için sizden talep etmek için geldik. Kim şu yatanların cevabını veriyor? Kim?
Kim?
Kim şu yatanların cevabını veriyor?
Kim?
Yekece gezekte hiç kim bizim vatanımıza kömek etmedi. Ne prezident, ne minister, ne şu tayda oturan nanhorlar. Biz sizin çıkmanızı talep edeceğiz. Eğer de şu halkı hürmet edip yine de işlemekçi olsanız şu tayı çıkmanızı talep edeceğiz. Bizim halkımız ölüp gidip oturuyor. Kim cevap veriyor? Nanhorlar kim cevap veriyor? Gelin humanitar pomoşu onu da satıp yediniz. Onu kimden sormalı? Kimden talep etmeli? Şu yere toplanan halk sizin şu dahi çıkmanızı yine de talep edeceğiz. Eğer de siz şu gün çıkmasanız biz yani bütün dünya sağlık kuramasının yanına vardık. Talep ettik. Bu yere geldik talep ettik. Hazır gidip kongresin önünde de talep edeceğiz. Yine biz sizin boynunuzdan düşmeyiz. Biz halk için, biz vatan için görüşeceğiz. Çıkmanızı talep edeceğiz.
Türkmenistan'ın rayetleri, Yunanlılar sizden hesap soramak için ama ne içindir bir adam hem dışarı çıkanıp biz sizin yüzünüzü göresimiz geliyor. Sorularımıza cevap vermenizi isteyiz. Şu anda Çinli Meret Orazov 18 yıllar şu yerde oturanınızı biliyoruz. Ama eden işlerinizin hiçbirini bilmeyiz. yıllap näme işe diýeniz? Halk üçin, halky bähbetli näme etdiňiz? Biriňiz bir çykyp soralara jogap beriň. Pasportlary çalışýaňyzmy? Ýok. Çalışaňyz ýok. Adamlara kömek edýäňizmi? Ýok. Çalışaňyz ýok. Şu ýerde doglan çağlary şadatnama berýäňizmi? Ýok. Allah ýoly bilen Türkmenistana uradyp iki grajdanlyk bar adamlary siz gapana salýaňyz. Onu hemmeler bilýär. Meni özüm iki gerek söýjek etdim, iki tapar. Näge kaşlar diýip. Bir taparam dogry jogap berilmediňiz. Türkmenistana gir, şu aýda Amerikan pasportyny taşlap çykartyň diýär. Çykmaz mı taýdan? Bir giýerim soň çykan. Kim çykdy şu taýdan? Hiç kim çykan. Sizin aeroportuňyzda pul bilen satyn aldan. $3.000 Türkiye çıkandı vermeli, $5.000 Kipr'e çıkandı vermeli. Sizin hemen adınız pullu, hemen adınız pullu. Hani adalet? Hani adalet? Hani adalet? Hani adalet? Nereye çık dışarı? Sorulara cevap ver. Nereye çık dışarı? Sorulara cevap ver. Böyle her ayda çıkarız gelir, her ayda gelir. Şahada duranların arasında her ştattan gelenler var. İnni kıyılık bundan köpeler. Sonunda ne edeceksiniz? Sonunda ne edecek? Kaçan sizin adamlara kömek edip başlayacak. Hani sizin vicdanınız? Hükümet adamları, hani sizin vicdanınız? Hani sizin vicdanınız? Hani sizin vicdanınız? Hükümet adamları, hani sizin yüzünüz? Hani sizin yüzünüz?
Bir hafta ön biz size hat gönderdik. Hatın içindeki sorulara ben yine de bir geze kaytalayan. Bizim halkımıza meditsina kömeğini, hazır karantinda azık haripleri kömeğini, pul kömeğini biz talep ediyoruz. Bizim hazır çağırılan armiyadaki oğlanlarımızı vaktlayınca koy vermegini talep ediyoruz. Sebebi o yerde hiç mümkünçilik yok. Bizim oğlanlarımızı distansı saklayalı. Biz yine de bir talabımız bize her gün koronavirüsün nehil stadiyada bolandığını bize atçot vermenizi biz talep ediyoruz. Talep ediyoruz. Eğer yüzün olsa meri çık beri utançsız şermende.
Every single person here standing and gathering, as a society of Turkmenistan, and we all have family back in Turkmenistan, and we are all scared losing one person from our family members. I have recently heard a lot of news from Turkmenistan that even my close friends lost their mothers. That's so sad to know. And even though knowing this situation, Turkmenistan government is trying to hide all the situation that is going on. And every single day, we lose a lot of Turkmen people. We lose a lot of Turkmen citizens, and we are sad about that. And World Health Organization is corrupted. They sold their reputation for money. They sold the lives for money. Now we are losing a lot of lives, and we deserve life. We deserve all treatment. We deserve treatment. Turkmenistan government is taking only one action to stop coronavirus, and that is killing people who's infected, instead of rather freeing them from a coronavirus, COVID-19. And we demand all high treatments to take actions. Take action.
Take action.
Take action.
Take action.
Don't let Turkmen citizens die.
Don't let Turkmen citizens die.
We deserve better life.
We deserve better life.
Сейчас я скажу на русском, и я снова хотела бы обратиться к нашим соотечественникам, кто считает, что кто заблужден и не понимает, есть ли у нас стратегия, есть ли у нас план. Но мы хотим сказать нашим соотечественникам, и мы хотим сказать работникам посольства. У нас нет стратегии, у нас нет плана, Но все, что у нас есть, это глубокое сопереживание и сочувствие к нашим родным, к соотечественникам Туркменистана и гражданам Туркменистана. Поэтому сегодня мы тоже хотим принести наши глубочайшие соболезнования ко всем тем, кто потерял свою жизнь в несправедливой борьбе с коронавирусом. Мы хотим принести соболезнования к их родным, к друзьям, близким, особенно врачам, которые остались наедине, абсолютно наедине в борьбе с коронавирусом, в несправедливом дистрибутации всех медицинских оборудований. Мы народ, и мы хотим поддержать вас и проявить нашу социальную активность и гражданскую ответственность.
I'd like to address embassy workers. It's a world pandemic after all. You shouldn't take it personally. Every country in the world, they are going through COVID-19. Again, you shouldn't take it personally. You should advise Turkmen citizens how to take proper precautions against this virus. Stop deceiving people. It's time for you to act and stand up for your own citizens. It's time for you to take action.
Take action!
Take action!
Orazov Meret Bayramani. It's been 18 years since you've been representing our country. You had two jobs: to represent Turkmen nation, to spread good things about Turkmen nation and our culture. You failed at that. You embarrassed us. Second job was to protect Turkmen people living in United States. There's thousands of us. You failed again. So now it's your last chance to come out and pray with us for the souls of the disease because of coronavirus in the prisons of Turkmenistan. If you have a bit of humanity, come outside.
Come outside! Come outside! Come outside! Come outside! Come outside!
Okay, Naresh, we get it. You're scared. At least send your assistant, secretary, somebody, or this building is useless, truly. Is there anybody in there?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين لا إله إلا Ya Rabbil Alemin, Ya Erhamer Rahimin, Ya Malik-i Mülk, Zülcelal ve İkram. Ey Allah'ım, şu ayda okuyan ayet-i kerimelerimize Türkmenistan yurdumuzda Covid-19 sebepli zararlı yol olan bendelerin ruhuna bağışladık. Ey Allah'ım, onların izinde kalanlarına sabır et. Bizlere hem güç, kuvvet ver, diktatörü yenmemiz için. Amin Ya Rabbil Alemin.
Today, citizens of Turkmenistan gathered here to ask you for help because we've been ignored by United Nations, by the World Health Organization, even from our own government. You asked Turkmen government to release political prisoners. Unfortunately, they did not take any actions. Our nation is in the brink of extinction. Unfortunately, government does not take any actions. We need help. Please help us to free political prisoners. Prisoners are dying of COVID-19, not only prisoners. We don't have adequate medical treatment for COVID-19. We don't have enough spaces in our hospitals, medical offices. Doctors are not well equipped to fight COVID-19. We ask you for your help. SOS! SOS!
SOS!
SOS!
SOS!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
Free Turkmen Nation!
народу, который живет за пределами Туркменистана и в Туркмении. Только мы сами можем себе помочь. Пожалуйста, выходите. Вы уже потеряли все. Вы потеряли свободу. Вы потеряли своих родных. Вы потеряли свои дома. Вы потеряли свое слово. Вы потеряли свой голос. В течение 30 лет у нас нету своего мнения. Мы должны помочь нашему народу. Мы делаем все, что в наших руках. Мы приезжаем из разных городов, чтобы нас увидели все международные организации. Мы стараемся ради нашего народа. Пожалуйста, постарайтесь ради нас тоже, чтобы что-то сделать. И выходите, хватит. Вирус всех убьет. У наших людей из-за того, что нет денег, из-за того, что нет нормальных продуктов, витаминов, у всех иммунитет, не у всех, но почти у всех иммунитет слабый. Если вы заразитесь коронавирусом, он от вас просто так не уйдет. Он может забрать очень много жизней. Пожалуйста, выходите.
Dear Congressman of United States, we are a nation from a small yet very proud country. We came to ask you for your help today. We know that when you shape your foreign policy, you take into consideration that humans are being tortured in different countries and you apply sanctions. We ask you to do the same against government of Turkmenistan, who, as we stand right now here, is witnessing how people are dying in prisons, how they're being tortured. Coronavirus is taking hundreds of lives every day. Hundreds of lives for a small nation like Turkmenistan is a lot. We are on the brink of extinction. Please pay attention. Please help us. Our activists in our country do not have opportunity to speak up because they and their families get persecuted. We are very proud to be and very happy to be in United States right now because we can exercise our freedom of speech. We ask you to help us in our fight against dictator and earn our freedom of speech. Please pay attention to Turkmenistan. Please do not cooperate with a dictator regime. Please do not do any business. You are supporting people who torture our people. Please pay attention and hear our voices. We will be here every day. Thank you.